Hey dears, let's cook pilau, a famous Tanzanian dish. First of all, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we're gonna start with the red onions, raisins, spices below masala and cinnamon, tomato, ready tomato, beef, rice. And put cooking oil on your pan, then add onion. Wait until it's become a golden brown. Add cooking paste, it mixed with garlic, ginger, and coriander. Mix well, combine. Add some beef mixed with all spices. Add some green pepper. Add some tomato. And add oyster sauce. Mix well, combine. And it's time to add our soup. Yes. Ta-da! And our dish is ready and it's so delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple recipe. Bye!